Y'all see the name on there. Shout out to CEO called Millionaire Mindsetter. Also, he help you get your business loan. Also, he repairs your credit. Also, go check him out at Millionaire Mindsetter. Check him out.
Hey, you can fake a lot of things out here, but you cannot fake real receipts. Shout out to DNK, second to none, one of the biggest dog breeders in the United States, okay? South African Boer Bulls. Go check them out. Really good business. All right, we was able to assist them with getting the American Express Business Platinum Unlimited card and getting business funding like lines of credit. All right. And you could be next. All right. You don't have to be a business owner to start a relationship with American Express. You can open an account on the personal side and start there. All right. We also work with you if you need help with your credit repair needs, not just business. If you want to be next, comment info down below and book a consultation. Let's go.